Well, let's cross into the house and check on the housemates. Peace. Congratulations, our very first head of house for the season. How was the week for you?
I've been doing my job. And I think I've been doing it all right.
Are you feeling confident about it?
I can't be confident about anything, but what I had, or what I think I had, was the only thing that made sense to me.
Perra, what's up?
Hey, I'm good, my man.
You had a very long week, didn't you? How did you handle all of this?
It was very challenging. I had to be under the radar. I had to be stealth.
Did you think they were going to figure you out?
No, because I really had to be very manipulative. I had to get in conversations with everybody to know exactly what they were thinking, get in their heads. And I'm sorry, guys, but I mean, that's what I had to do.
Liquor Rose. So you were voted by your fellow housemates. Why do you think they did that?
I told them, like, I knew you guys were going to vote for me. I think I knew the day they all agreed to vote me. I noticed. But I gave them hints the next day. I was like, if you guys vote me, I don't mind. But guess what? I'm not going to go home. But those people are going to be in the house. But it turned out like this.
Hi, Ebuka.
You were quite intense and passionate with your investigation throughout this week. What's going through your head right now?
I feel so. I don't even know. Like, yeah, I think it was definitely impossible. Like, yeah, they did a good job.
You were never going to figure it out.
Yeah, there was no way.
Okay, well, the deed is done now. Like Big Brother said, they are now fully in the game, and they have a nomination edge. Keep your eyes focused on the game, all right?